Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of horns, and we don't need a paintbrush. Not right now, not today, because today I'm using black, and I got 2 bricks here. I'm going to cut this in half. Cut this in half the best I know how. Alrighty. Now, I had a pair already made, but it would seem that my husband has stolen them from me. This is the crystal ball I have to make the horns on. I got this crystal ball many years ago from my friend I met in my hometown. Really lovely guy, and his wife and his children. They run a bookstore there in my hometown, and they went around the world and collected all these neat things, and I happened to seen this crystal ball, and it was just so beautiful. I mean, look at the base. So beautiful. And the ball itself is beautiful too, but anyway, so I'm gonna start out today with rolling these out like so. Just rolling it out. Try to get them even here. Okay, and then I'm gonna take and mix it with some blue. Sorry. Let me get some of this blue out here. I think this is plenty. So I'm gonna set these aside. Sorry, so all of a sudden, every time I go to talk, I can't. Okay, so I got this blue, and I'm gonna roll this out a little bit. Cut this in half. Okay. Roll this out some more. Roll this out some more. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Excuse me. It doesn't have to be even. We just want them to be about the same length. Okay? So this would be my second pair of horns that I'll be making, and this has to come out a little bit more. Trying to get them about the same length. Like I said, I am so sorry. Okay, get this out. Alright, now I'm gonna take it and fold it in half like this, and then press down. Fold this in half like this, and press down. Then I'm gonna run it through the pasta machine. Okay, there's one, and there's 2. And this one came out a little bit different, but all the same. Now what I'm gonna do is take these 2 pieces and roll them sideways like this. Again, fold them together like this, and then together like this, and then run this through the pasta machine, and there we go. I did it the long way. So okay, now we want to put the darker side together, so this side, so that the blue shines through more. Darker side together. And now I'm gonna do it on a 1. Okay, that's what I got on this one. Now we're gonna take these, oh, hello lighting. We're gonna take these pieces here. Don't know why the lighting is doing that. There we go. I'm gonna take these pieces here and roll them. Like so. And then squish them together. Roll it. Squish, roll, squish. So we end up with like a barrel shape of clay. Okay. Same thing. This one's already been rolled a little bit, so we're going to squish it and roll it. Squish, 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 squish. And then roll it. And squish this again. Okay, so we kind of have 2 barrel shapes, both different colors, but they look really awesome. Oh, come on, lighting. All right. Now, what we're going to do is pick which end we don't like the most. And on this one, it would be this end, because this end's got all the pretty colors. So we're going to put that one at the bottom. We're just going to squish it down. Squish it, squish, squish, squish. Get it at even as you can. Okay. Just now that that one's mounted, let's do the other one. Let's say about here. And this one has a lot more blue in it. We're going to go around and make it as even as we can. Okay, I'm going to press these in. And then come up. Come up. Okay. Gonna flatten it in between my thumb and my hand, and then flatten it this way to give me more of a point. There we go. I hope you guys are keeping up. It's all about how it feels in your hand, and this one has a bump in it, so we're going to try and smooth that out. There we go. Okay. Now, at this point, it's up to you where you want to go with your horns. I'm just smoothing out some creases. Okay. It's really up to you where you want to go at this point. So, just want to show you. Oh, I love that. That one has way more blue in it than this one, but it's just a blending test. And I wanted to make sure that the bottom is as round and even as possible. Now, as I was saying, it's all up to you where you go from here with your horns. You can go in, you can go down, you can twist them, but make sure that they stay around the same shape and size. Okay, so when you twist, make sure you twist the right direction, or same direction. And start slow, and then work your way up. Same here. I'm just going to twist the main part right here, and then I'm going to go to the bottom and start there. And there we go. Same here. Just gonna and there we have the twisty horns, which I think look really, really cool. And my last pair I made come in a little bit, but I think, I don't know, what should I do? I could go and carefully bend it back and out like that. Bend it back and then twist this out. Alright, so there's that. And you can take your tips and bend them in. I like how it looks. I like the feel that it gives. Or you could just curl them. And bend this back and curl this up. Like so. And have your tip pointing up. Like that. Look at that, guys. Alright, can you see that? It's kind of hard to see. But there you go. There you go. Now you can see it. So there you go. And then you bake these at, I'm going to do 275. The horns are out of the oven and they are looking fabulous. Look at that. The color is just amazing. This one doesn't have as much blue differentiation in it, but I still love them together. Like you could see still little tidbits of blue, but it's great. I love them, I love them, I love them. Well, I thank you so much for coming and joining me today with this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. But that's all I have time for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.